DoorDash order volume spikes during lunch and dinner hours because customer demand concentrates around mealtimes, and drivers online during those windows see more consistent delivery offers. By the end, you'll know the exact time windows that typically produce the most orders, why those hours matter, and how timing affects your total daily earnings more than almost any other factor. Start with the core pattern. Most DoorDash demand follows daily meal behavior. That means orders increase when people are eating, not randomly throughout the day. Drivers who align with those spikes see more frequent delivery offers. Now look at lunch hours. Midday hours are a consistent demand window in most markets. Office workers, students, and remote workers create steady lunch order flow. That makes this one of the most reliable short shifts for active deliveries. Now look at dinner hours. Evening hours usually produce the highest overall order volume. People ordering after work leads to more stacked restaurant demand. That often results in faster order turnover and less downtime between deliveries. Now look at why timing matters more than anything else. DoorDash does not create orders evenly across the day. It reacts to customer activity in real time. Being online during high-demand windows increases your chance of being matched quickly with new orders. Now look at early morning and late night. These periods usually have lower order volume in most areas. Fewer customers ordering means fewer available delivery opportunities. Drivers often experience longer wait times between offers during these hours. Now look at weekends. Weekend evenings tend to produce stronger demand than weekdays in many locations. More people ordering food at home increases overall delivery activity. That can lead to more consistent order flow if you are active during those peak hours. Now here's what most people miss. It's not just about being online. It's about staying active during the highest demand concentration in your specific area. Two drivers working the same total hours can earn very different results depending on when those hours happen. Now the simple breakdown. The best DoorDash times usually cluster around lunch and dinner, with dinner typically being the strongest window. Lower demand hours can still work, but they usually require more waiting between orders. Now the takeaway. Timing affects your earnings more than most strategy changes. Lunch gives consistency, dinner gives volume, and off-peak hours reduce order flow. Working around those patterns is what creates more stable daily earnings. Next step, test 2 shifts on different days, one during lunch and one during dinner, and compare how many orders you receive per hour in each window. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of delivery apps, gig work strategies, and real-world earning patterns without confusion or hype.